Want to show how you playing with your toys? And you're sitting up? Oh, that's so fun. Yeah. Yeah, grabbing. Good job, buddy. You see this one too? No, we really like that one. That's our favorite. Uncle Ben gave us that one. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, got something. Don't poke your eye. Grab your toys. There you go. Yeah. Oh, we like our hands too. We really like our toys.